By 10 a.m., it's already 35 degrees in central Mali. The Green Knights arrive in Kidgumabogu just after breakfast. Pam Young, an English development volunteer, welcomes them.
I'm glad that we sat and discussed that and decided that this was the place, because it's just perfect.
Yeah, it's exactly what we wanted, yeah. Thank you so much, Pam.
Brilliant. Okay, well, let's meet the chief.
Hello, ça va? Merci, merci.
After meeting the chief, the boys waste no time. They have to put together 2 solar ovens and 2 solar panels, a task they had never done in their lives.
It's going pretty well, yeah. It's coming together.
It's really exciting. Love a bit of DIY. Love constructing stuff.
You're better at destructing stuff though.
Well, I think we've shown that with the car.
Like an IKEA project, but with a lot of time pressure, and they are doing an amazing job. It's an amazing thing that they're doing, and the reception we've had here, unbelievable.
It was a total success. Solar ovens like these allow villagers to cook meals or even bake bread without chopping down a single tree. Later on during the day, the Green Knights also installed 2 solar power cells on top of the village school. This means the village will no longer have to rely on pollutant disposable car batteries. For the first time, the lights went on.
Brilliant.